guys, welcome to the second episode of the seed ordering series. Today we are going to be featuring the Harris Seed Company. This is the company where we order a lot of our fall crops. Y'all know if you've been watching that our pumpkins didn't do too well last year, so we're trying to focus more on disease resistant and not growing as many varieties in one spot. So we're gonna give it a go again this year in the fall patch. There aren't as many varieties featured here in this video, but there are a lot of unique varieties that I think that you guys will really love taking a look at and possibly finding something cool and unique to try yourself in your own garden. So we also want to let you know that all of the images in this video are from the Harris Seed website, and we are not paid by any company to feature these videos. This is just us wanting to share our seed order and all the fun we are going to have this year in the garden. So have fun watching. This is definitely one of our favorite varieties of sunflowers. Just by looking at the flower, you can definitely see why. It takes about 45 to 50 days to mature, and it has all different stages of maturity, so you can enjoy it for a longer period of time than most sunflowers. This is a variety that I've grown for many years. It's an awesome miniature pumpkin. It's super cute, perfect for decorating and perfect for borders along the house. And it gets about 3 to 4 inches in diameter and perfect for little ones to play with. This is a variety of ornamental corn that we haven't grown in a couple years, and we absolutely love it. So we are super excited to bring it back to the garden with its beautiful color. Well, I'm sure you can see why we are excited to try this mixture of gourd. The more weird something is, the better, and the more that I like it. So take a look at this, you guys. We are going to have fun sharing this. This mixture contains swan gourds, caveman's club, bushel, dipper, birdhouse, apple, and snake. This is a mixture that we grow every year. We love it. Even when everything else fails, we still have a lot of these guys, so they're really fun to play with. And if you paint them, the bumps make them look even more cool and spooky. Super fun project for the kids. This mixture is also one that is never a failure. It's been around forever, and if you're bad at growing anything, these will grow for you. Don't these just look awesome? We can't wait to try these this year. The Big Apple Gourd looks like something that we are going to love searching for in the fall patch. They get 6 to 8 inches in diameter. Now, if you're looking for a medium to large size pumpkin that is consistently sized, a round fruit, and bright orange, then the ZEUS pumpkin is for you. We are super excited to grow this variety this year. They have really nice larger stems, and they're intermediate resistant to powdery mildew, so we are really excited and really hopeful this year. Polar Bear is a variety that we grew about a year ago in the garden, and we grew it in a space on its own, and one day I was just like, what the heck is that over there? It was just like this big white thing sitting there, and it was a really large white pumpkin. They can get 30 to 65 pounds. I had forgotten I planted it there, and it was just huge and gorgeous. So we're really excited to try this again this year. Now these are the big guys, the pumpkins that can get 200 to 300 pounds. They're the ones that are used for giant pumpkin contests. We have grown these every single year, and we've never had one this big because we really just grow them to have more of a really unique regular sized pumpkin. If you want a pumpkin to get this large, you have to take all the flowers off of the vine except for one, and then you're supposed to water them daily, and the vines can spread about 25 feet, so you really have to give them space. When I picked out these pumpkins, I definitely had Lana and Selah in mind because these are perfect painting pumpkins for the little ones. They get 5 to 12 pounds, and they have a nice sturdy handle. This is one of our more favorite sunflower varieties. This is the one that you see that pops up out of our raised beds, and it's real showy. We use succession seeding with these, which all that means is every week we just seed some more, so they're in blossom at different times and not just all at once. These are also a great one for cut flowers. They're the ones that you see in bouquets at your markets.